Today we're going to look at natural resources, goods, and jobs in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Before we begin, just a quick review of what natural resources are. The word natural means coming from nature, and resources are things that we can use. So, natural resources are things that come from nature that we can use for a purpose. There are lots of different types of natural resources. We have animal resources and forest resources, rocks and minerals, gas and oil, wind and solar energy, and even water and land resources. Resources can be grouped into two categories: renewable and non renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources that regrow or regenerate after they are used. But non renewable resources are those resources that take a very long time to replenish, or they exist in limited amounts on Earth. There are lots of types of natural resources in Saskatchewan. They have lumber resources or forest resources, land resources like wheat fields and other grains. There are animal resources like cows and fish, and there is even an abundance of oil. Now, the natural resources that are found in Saskatchewan can be turned into goods. This is where we can use that natural resource for a purpose. Wheat can be ground down into flour and used to make breads and cereal and even pasta. Let's consider some of the jobs that people might have in Saskatchewan. To grow the wheat, you may have farmers, you might have truck drivers who take the wheat to the mills, and mill workers who turn the wheat into flour. And then that flour is turned into bread by bakers, and cereal by cereal makers, and into pasta by chefs. And then all of those goods are sold at the store. So there are lots of jobs that are created because the natural resource of wheat grows in Saskatchewan.